How would you feel if you suddenly discovered that the government wanted to give you some of your money back? Well, if your company currently engages in and incurs costs from any research and development activity, or has done within the last couple of years or so, you may be entitled to a corporation tax refund or an extra tax credit. Also, if you provide research and development services for others, then you might find it useful being able to explain the potential tax benefit to any prospective new clients in order to give your company that all-important edge when tendering for new business. However, this tax refund is only available to SME companies that are required to submit a corporation tax return. An SME company being a company that has less than 250 employees and either turnover of up to 50 million euros or balance sheet assets up to 4.3 million euros. Incidentally, both these figures have recently been doubled for the future. Research is defined as work done to resolve scientific or technological uncertainty aimed at achieving an advance in science or technology. And if your company is actively working at improving the technology behind your products, processes and services, then the costs incurred could well qualify as research and development expenditure, as long as the improvements aren't just routine or cosmetic in nature. The next requirement is that your company invests more than £10,000 per annum on any of the following. Firstly, staffing costs for research and development employees. Payments made to an external research and development staff provider, where you can generally claim for 65% of the subcontracted costs. Utilities like water, fuel and power used in research and development activities. Software directly used in the research and development activity. And finally, any research and development activities that you subcontract out. However, no other government support should already have been received in respect of the research and development project. Also, the project cannot have been funded entirely by somebody else. In the case of it being partially funded by a third party, you may still qualify for a pro rata tax credit. And the final requirement is that any intellectual property resulting from your research and development expenditure, such as software rights or patents, vest with your company. So if your company has losses and PAYE or NIC liabilities for the relevant period, it is likely that you're eligible for a research and development tax credit of 24.5p in the pound on your R&D expenditure. And if you don't have any losses to carry forward, then your company should qualify for additional tax relief to the tune of about 16% of your eligible research and development costs. So, on the basis that you've incurred valid research and development expenditure, where do you think you'll reinvest your cash windfall within your business? For more information about the government's R&D tax credit scheme and valuable, easy to understand professional advice on how to successfully reclaim all the tax credits you are eligible for, please contact Chris Gent or Francis Hudson at Wilderco on 020 7724 6060 or email us at rdtaxcredit@wilderco.co.uk.